Chiliz, ticker CHZ, really is a utility truly token established in Malta in 2012 in an extremely significant way, or so they essentially thought. It most certainly is utilized in sports and diversion, with the essentially principal point of bringing fans and their clubs together in a very significant manner, being the essentially official truly badge of socios.com, a fan's impact and prize application. Chiliz gives fans kind of certainly more to explicitly do than being observers and empowers them to truly be in every practical sense, basically more effectively engaged with impacting some club choices like democratic, or so they for the most part thought. The clubs really are as yet engaged with raising issues that need to explicitly truly be tended to, yet the truly token proprietors drive direction, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Chiliz for the most part is both an ERC20 and BEP2 token. It certainly is essentially limited and furthermore fungible in a by and large significant manner. Chiliz generally is a utility pretty token utilized on an especially savvy contract stage, socios.com, sort of extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Each really token essentially is printed on the Chiliz blockchain, and casting a ballot, likewise explicitly goes through the equivalent blockchain, in a kind of large manner in a significant manner. The by and large token significantly considers several exercises that, for the most part, are more personal collaborations between club proprietors and fans, and in every practical sense, certainly more fans' commitment scrambled casting a ballot record fans can generally especially take part in fan drove choices in light of the quantity of fan tokens claimed in an unobtrusive manner amazingly. The significantly more tokens a fan has, the by and large more they vote, and the kind of additional they rate upwards, till they sort of get to the celebrity status in a very significant manner. Tokens can likewise in every way that really matters, be exchanged and traded at various costs, so aside from purchasing fan tokens, you can likewise exchange Chiliz for a benefit, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost today explicitly is 52 cents. It basically has a coursing supply of 5.5 billion CHZ and an exceptionally complete stock of roughly 8.9 billion CHZ in a kind of huge manner. Chiliz basically has a market cap of $2.9 billion in a sort of significant manner. The greatest cost of the coin certainly was on WAC 13, 2021, at 89 cents, while the coin explicitly in a real sense has fundamentally hit an extremely low of $0.007415 in an entirely of large way. The coin explicitly is quite all plans and purposes position number 51 on CoinMarketCap, or so they explicitly thought in a significant manner. The web-based records of the coin truly got many kind of sure most certainly answers, because of their rising spread and presence in an unobtrusive manner. April basically was an astounding month for the organization, and keeping in mind that it didn't essentially mirror a ton in the coin cost, it by and large is especially very uplifting news for sort of long haul holders and for the people who recently generally need to join the fleeting trend in every practical sense, enormous way in a real sense. Their validity is fundamentally cemented as a result of organizations with, furthermore, the possibilities of going into especially different games in the future, most certainly make in every way that really matters, much sort of more sense in a genuinely huge manner. They for the most part are consistently developing, and their new staff enrollments entirely appear to reverberate well with financial backers and really long haul holders in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz ticker $CHZ, however generally new, actually certainly is surprising the crypto local area, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Their main goal to move fans from being latent allies to being somewhat more lovely truly dynamic, most certainly basically is by and large acknowledged, and it can actually explicitly be found in the volume in a very significant way. Socios.com generally isn't the main fan commitment stage, as conventional media sort of are developing to really for the most part fulfill the needs of avid supporters, showing how Chiliz basically has a market cap of $2.9 billion in a quite enormous manner, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The joining of blockchain really token, Chiliz and the possibilities of bringing in cash as you support groups fundamentally make socios.com extraordinary, which basically is genuinely critical. Fan tokens like that of PSG truly have expanded 5x from its origin, which truly is very huge. Holders of the fan in every way that really matters, genuinely token basically chosen the beginning players of a group for a cordial match, and they proceeded to record a pounding win. certainly further appearance how their validity truly is for the most part hardened in view of organizations with kind of significant football clubs, like Barcelona, Juventus, and AC Milan in an unpretentious way. Votes of commonly certainly token holders likewise set up a UFC, especially match in an unobtrusive manner. New financial backers, especially in a real sense, are clutching the confirmation that the development of chiliz and socios.com will, thus in a real sense, convert into the development of their ventures, and since they're one of the sort of commonly central parts in sports and blockchain, this may every one of our experts in a real sense foresee a bullish development on chiliz, regardless of the in every way that really matters current union, which in a real sense shows that the web-based records of the coin most certainly sort of gotten kind of numerous sort of sure. Essentially answers in light of their rising spread and presence. We in a real sense explicitly accept all things considered, hardly any things will really make this a reality, and most certainly key among them in every way that really matters. Remember significant declarations of contributions for genuinely different games and an extremely vigorous client support truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Be somewhat conceivable in an especially significant manner. In the event that the essentially current cost explicitly is genuinely low, contrasted with the associations and upgrades, what will in every practical sense generally be a fundamentally fair cost for chiliz when sports like cricket and tennis join the blend, or so they thought. This generally is the prospect of most financial backers, and one that by and large makes kind of many individuals in every practical sense remain fundamentally lengthy in the token, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. What in every practical sense will basically be the chiliz cost in June 2021, which truly is very huge. The chiliz cost most certainly is projected to reach $0.652440 by the start of June 2021, showing the way that tokens can likewise be exchanged and traded at various costs. So aside from purchasing fan tokens, you can likewise exchange chiliz for a benefit a significant way, with the very higher finish of the assumption being $0.8155051 and the most dire outcome imaginable being $0.5545434 in an in every practical sense significant way. The chiliz cost expectation for the month's end in every way that really matters is $0.6587096, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. In 1 year from now, what will one chiliz basically in every way that really matters be worth, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking? In May 2022, the chiliz cost in every way that really matters is projected to basically be around $0.7483518 in an essentially significant manner, which is very critical. The normal in every practical sense greatest cost explicitly is $0.9354398, and the worst situation imaginable at the base cost quite all expectations and designs is $0.6360991 in an unpretentious manner. Will chiliz especially go up in 2022 in a really significant manner? Indeed, certainly. Especially most certainly as